My name is Christian Miller. I'm the engineering and manufacturing teacher here at the Pulaski County CTE Center. Under those two tracks, there are several different classes that we have available for students to take. In the engineering track, you can start out in materials and processes, learning how to work with wood, metal, plastic, laminates, polymers, and composites, in the ways that those materials can be used and formed to build things. After that, Engineering 1, study of several fields of engineering, and then Engineering 2, capstone project class of engineering. On the other side, in manufacturing, we work on assembly line processes and work cluster processes, designing and then building different projects using different materials. That's both Manufacturing 1 and Manufacturing 2.
Thank you for participating in our virtual tour of the CTE Center. If you've seen anything that sparks your interest, talk to your school counselor.